What can I do to troubleshoot my Epson printer when it is not printing with full ink?
Hello there. Are you dealing with your Epson printer not printing even with a full ink cartridge? This could be an annoying situation, but don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we're going to walk through some troubleshooting steps to get your printer back on track.
Is your printer recognizing the ink cartridge?
The first thing you want to verify is if your printer is recognizing the ink cartridge. If the cartridge is not properly installed or is incompatible with your printer, it might not be recognized, thus causing printing issues. To confirm this, navigate to your printer settings and check the ink levels. If the printer shows that the ink level is full, it means the cartridge is recognized. If not, try reinstalling the cartridge or replacing it with a compatible one.
Have you run a nozzle check and cleaning cycle?
Over time, the nozzles that dispense the ink can become clogged. Running a nozzle check and cleaning cycle can often resolve this issue. 1. To perform a nozzle check, navigate to the Settings or Maintenance menu on your printer or printer software. 2. Choose Print Nozzle Check Pattern or similar option. 3. If the printed pattern shows gaps, then choose the Clean the Printhead or similar option in the settings. 4. This process may need to be repeated a couple of times until the nozzle check pattern prints correctly.
Is your printer's firmware up to date?
Epson frequently releases firmware updates to fix bugs or enhance the performance of their printers. If your printer is not printing despite having full ink, it might be due to an outdated firmware. To update the firmware, 1. Visit the official Epson website. 2. Navigate to the Support page and locate your printer model. 3. If there are firmware updates available, download and install them following the given instructions. We hope that these steps help you resolve the issue of your Epson printer not printing even with a full ink cartridge. Remember, it's always a good idea to contact Epson's customer support if your issues persist. They're there to help you and can provide assistance tailored to your specific printer model. Thank you for watching, and happy printing!